Welcome to our artbeads.com handy tip. Today we're going to show you how to use a bead reamer to remove sharp edges and shards which are commonly found on handmade Murano glass beads. The sharp edges or stringers around the holes of the beads are a normal result of the Murano glass bead making process. Fine pieces of the glass remain on the mandrel that the bead maker uses to form the bead. They are not a defect or an imperfection, rather a sign that your bead is handmade. Filing the sharp edges with a bead reamer will help prevent the beads from cutting your stringing material and allow them to sit flush to each other. Lay a towel down to protect your work surface and have a glass or bowl of water handy. The bead reamer comes with a handle and 3 different tips, a large and small reaming tip for smoothing and enlarging holes, and a 45-degree edging point for smoothing and rounding the edges around the holes. Twist the handle to open the jaws or collet. Insert the tip of the reamer and tighten. Wet the tip of the reamer and the bead. The water acts as a lubricant and prevents overheating, which can cause the bead to crack and break. Begin rotating and filing the inside of the bead hole. Do not put the reamer into the hole to the point where it becomes tight. This may cause the edges of the bead to chip or the bead to break. File until the bead hole feels smooth, re-wetting the reamer and the bead from time to time. Switch to the 45-degree edging point. Get the tip wet and carefully file any shards that remain on the outside of the hole. Do this until the edges around the hole are smooth and flush to the bead. Again, be sure to re-wet the edging point and bead from time to time. Be careful not to hit the surrounding surface with the edging point, as it will scratch the surface of the bead. As a less costly alternative, you can use 400 grit waterproof sandpaper and water. Take care to avoid the surrounding area of the hole. The sandpaper will take the shine off the surface. For these and other great tips, please visit artbeads.com Learning Center in the Handy Tips section.